Hi, beautiful souls. Happy July to you and July babies. Yes, wish you a many happy returns of the day in advance. And yes, today we are checking with July 2021 energies. It will be a general reading, and we will be tapping into your career, your profession, also your personal life. In general, your energies, what is coming up with maybe health and maybe relationship, whatever the guidance is coming through. So yes, and also this time I have a dowsa to ask yes and no questions. All right, so I will just tell in each groups like how it will work. And also I have this clear quartz crystal, which I will be doing the general scrying for all the groups. So let us check what our groups are. So group number one is this poppy jasper, beautiful crystal. It is similar to tiger's eye, but not the tiger's eye. If you see closely, it has some beautiful textures on it. So this is the poppy jasper, or you can also choose with the with the card. This is the moth card. If you feel attracted, so you can choose with the card or with the crystal. So second group is this crystal. I am not very sure what crystal this is. So if you know, please put it in the comment section. That would be amazing. Or you can choose with the card, the earth one. All right. And group number 3 is bloodstone. It has a few red stinge on it. Otherwise its shade is greenish grayish, that kind of vibe. Or you can have the look for the card, phoenix. Alright, so you can just pause the video, meditate on which group you are getting attracted to, and yes, I am pretty excited to have this reading for you. And all the timestamps for each groups will be given in the description box. And if you would like to book an personal reading, private reading, all the contact details will also be given in the description box. So yes, without further wasting any time, let us dive deep into our readings. I will see you the other side. Hi, group number 1. Namaste. Hope you all are doing well. And yes, let us see what is coming up for you for this month of July 2021. So yes, earlier I did mention that it's going to be a general reading, and we will be tapping into like more or less all the aspects of your life. But after seeing your cards, immediately I am getting the vibe that this particular group, you may be inquiring about your love life. All right, because all the crystals, or sorry, all the cards from different decks, they are giving me the vibe of new beginnings with regards to your love and relationship. Or if you are already in a relationship, there is something like solid, something stronger, deeper commitments that is coming through very strong. So to start with this card, moth, I am just seeing that you have just passed a beautiful phase of self healing, and you have like transformed into this beautiful moth, or the butterfly, if you can see. Like it is coming from the darker space, and with beautiful radiant, like vibrant green color. And green color also tells me about healing your heart. So there is this major cycle that you have completed when it comes to healing, and now you are in a position where actually universe is rewarding you with amazing new beginnings. So immediately I am getting attracted to this card, the lovers card. So there are high lovers card and also the romantic feelings. So for this month of July, I see you meeting someone new, or maybe you already know this person, and there is this ace of wands, which is passionate, creative kind of beginnings that you are that you will be experiencing, and also the card co-create. So co-creation is you are actually like manifesting this particular person, this particular relationship, and it's going to be an solid strong foundation for both of you. So the emperor card showing up, it doesn't matter like what gender you are, what gender preferences you have, but the emperor card and also the number 4 number is the number of foundation, of strong foundation. So this emperor coming, or you transforming into this emperor energy, you are attracting beautiful partnerships. And also with the justice card, I am seeing maybe for few of you, like with romantic feelings, with the lovers card, ace of wands, and co-create and justice card, I see like for few of you, maybe you are deciding for commitment in a relationship, or for few of you it also could be wedding, engagement, that kind of vibes I am getting very very strong. Mm, or if for people those who are not looking for love and romance or relationships, I am getting the vibe that you are coming into a very strong partnership. It could be with regards to your profession, with regards to your business, or also into your job. Like there is something that is happening in this month of July, which will support you for to create something new. So co-creation card, so it could be a new project, and maybe people who you are working with, they, like it's a very supportive team for you that is coming through very very strong. So with the moth card, maybe earlier you have never experienced this kind of support, this kind of partnership. It could be with regards to your personal life or professional life, and this is the self work that you have been putting, and now you are getting the rewards. It is so very amazing. So again, here is the number 40, and it comes down to 4. So you have 4 two times. So it is double confirmation that you are starting something with amazing foundations. All right. And also with justice card, there is a lot of documentation, licenses, permissions, legal advices, legal documents, all that is coming through very very strong. All right. And the guidance that is coming for you is crystals. All right. So maybe using certain crystals or gemstones could help you to uplift your energies. The energy of crystals supports you and help you with present situation. So maybe you might require some kind of grounding. If you search on YouTube, there are amazing grounding meditations that you can have. Also roaming in nature, getting in connect to plants, to Mother Earth, that would help you to have this grounding more. So yes, I am super excited to see this reading. So with romantic feelings also, your feelings are real and worth exploring. So maybe you might have met someone just, and now you are in the process of progressing this relationship, or soon you are meeting the person, or maybe you already know who is in the friend zone, and now you have started cultivating these romantic feelings for this person. So and one more thing I would like to tell, that with this person, if maybe if things are not getting into the serious commitments, I am just seeing that you are starting an amazing friendship with this particular person. For few of you, you are attracting new friends into your life, that is your soul tribe. All right. So yes, let us see if we are guided to have anything else. Like what is it for group number 1? With ace of wands, I am just seeing that you are in such a powerful place. Like if you see this card, that is so amazing. So spiritually, mentally, emotionally, physically, you are in the place to literally manifest all your desires. Also with the Lovers card, I am seeing that you are coming into great peace and harmony with your own self, with your own divine masculine and feminine energies. So yes, we are just entering into the month of July, and beautiful cards that are showing up. I'm going to take all these. So let's see any guidance for group number one. Group number one. I am also seeing few of you are receiving a new job appointment. Like maybe you want to change your job, and that is the opportunity that you are receiving in this month of July. With the Emperor card, I am seeing that you are planning something, you are organizing something, and you are also getting in connect with many people is what I am seeing. You are leading something with the Emperor card. Yes. All right. So if you are waiting for some money to come in, if you are expecting some payments, that is also coming through very strong. These are too many. So 6 of Pentacles I am seeing here. The Hierophant card. You are literally manifesting. You are just sitting, you are wishing for something, and you are receiving that. Last card, the High Priest, is amazing. High Priestess and Hierophant. Beautiful, beautiful. You are in a very good place. You are getting in a very good place in this month of July, and like everything is coming together for you. Maybe you have worked a lot on like particular aspects, or almost all the aspects, and you are also spiritually evolving. Spiritually also gates are opening for you. So yes, this is what I am getting for group number one. So let us see in your crystal, in this crystal, clear chords, what if I am getting any visions for you. All right, group number one. I am seeing a beautiful flame that is burning, and that is resonating with this Ace of Wands card. New passionate beginnings, new projects, and you have planned amazingly. Now you are ready to put everything into action is what I am seeing. All right, I'm seeing a huge tall building. So maybe you are in the construction line, and finally your work is being starting, or you are completing that project, and also something on those terms. So maybe selling of that project or something like that. And I'm also seeing a ladder. All right, so ladder is something which takes you up, and also the same ladder can get you down. So now you are in the position where you very well know when to step up, when to step down, when to step back. All right, so this is the beautiful flow I am seeing of your energy which you have gained after having so many experiences in your life, and all these experiences you are putting into action. I am also seeing a swing, and now you are like without any resistance, you are ready to take one day at a time, one moment at a time, and you are in a place where you are actually experiencing, where you are actually learning to be in the now, to be grateful, and to be so much in the awe of the present moment. All right, so maybe you earlier you were in the position where you used to be in the past, or used to jump in the future. All right, but now you are in this realization that this moment is the real thing. All right, so with the swing I am seeing that you are just flowing in a beautiful wave, and now you are just, now there is no looking back. You have passed the difficult, and now you are in the smooth flow of your life. All right, so this is what I'm seeing in the crystal. And next I have something different for you. So I have this dowser. All right, and this is already programmed. So if the answer is yes, this dowser will give the answer by turning clockwise. For me it will be clockwise, and if the answer is no, it will start moving anti-clockwise. So you can just close your eyes, ask the question where the answer should be yes or no. So it will be very very personal to you. So just ask in your mind, and let us see what the answer is coming through. Please, for group number 1, give us the answer yes or no. So it is swinging clockwise for me. So whatever question you have asked, the answer is yes for it. All right. So amazing. Like if you wanted to hear yes, congratulations. All right. And yes, I would like to have one more card for people, those who have their birthdays in this month of July. So if we can get any birthday messages for group number 1, group number 1. Birthday message for group number 1. All right. Okay, books. Your life purpose involves writing, reading, editing, or selling spiritually based books. So maybe you are planning to buy some books or read, or maybe you can gift yourself some books. So wisdom is coming through very strong. So if you are meditating, or if you are into any such self expression things, now is the time where you can actually start reading, writing, expressing yourself, gaining all that wisdom. And yes, so this is all I have for group number 1. Hope you have an amazing month of July 2021. And if you would like to book a personal reading, please contact me. Thank you so much and have an amazing day. Hi, group number 2. How are you people, those who have chose this beautiful crystal? Here we are starting into your group. So if you have chose this earthworm, what I am getting immediately is you have completed a deep emotional healing. All right. So be it your inner child healing, it could be your heart healing, it could be also your physical body healing. So the entire theme is about healing. All right. So maybe in the month of July you are going through this healing time. And yes, the card that is drawing my attention is you deserve love. So maybe you might have gone through an breakup kind of situation, or emotionally very heavy or draining kind of energy. I feel the heaviness here in my throat and on my heart. So it could be a very difficult situation for many of you here. Please do take what resonates. And I am also seeing that you are very intuitive kind of person. You are an clairvoyant. So trust what you see in your mind's eye as well as with your physical sight. Your spiritual vision helps you with healing, teaching, and guidance. Again, the healing card is here. So maybe you are the person who already starts getting that insight, or you start experiencing some change in your breathing or in your energy levels, because you are already seeing the things before they appear in the 3D. So I am getting this vibe that and you for few of you have just like I am getting that you are coming out of a very difficult period. All right. But the good part is that difficult time has just ended, or it is about to end in this month of July. All right. Because there is some kind of justice that is being presented to you. All right. And yes, you of course you deserve love. You are lovable. All right. You are coming into this realization that maybe you were in an codependent relationship, or there was this empath and narcissist kind of relationship that you have been through, and you have literally like hit the rock bottom, and now you are coming into new beginnings. So for most of you, like, you have ended this cycle of deep healing, of deep, learning all your virtues, all your experiences, maybe in a difficult way, all right, but it has brought you in a very, very strong position. Queen of Wands, very creative, very like self-dependent, and that kind of personality that I am seeing, all right. And also with the Justice card and with Knight of Swords, you have literally, I see a vision of cutting off all that is not serving you with your sword, and just bringing this justice to your own self, all right. In many situations, like almost all the situations, standing up for yourself and just letting go and cutting the crap that is not serving you becomes very, very essential, all right. So especially like people who are consciously on the spiritual journey, like, into law of attraction, into meditation, into different healings modalities and all that stuff, many a times we feel that since we are healing ourselves, we expect others to do the same. But many a times consciously saying no, or consciously saying yes, consciously staying away from toxicity, from toxic people, that becomes very, very essential. And literally you are doing this so that you are able to maintain your space. You are creating this space for yourself to have an amazing life that you would like to create for yourself. And for few of you, especially, I feel this group, you were in a very toxic kind of friendships around, all right. Maybe this people have brought you down, they have, made fun of you and that kind of situation, and you were already getting the vibes of that, but it was difficult for you to believe, all right. So this is what I am getting through. So there is this deep emotional healing that is already taking place for you. It has already done. Considering your life, considering your level of consciousness, these things will be more or less similar for this particular group. So anything else for group number 2? For group number 2, any more guidance that is coming through for group number 2? I am just hearing like freedom. You are now so very free from all that was not serving for you. Judgment, the Hermit, and the Four of Pentacles. This is amazing. So with the Judgment card, like the relationships I just mentioned earlier, maybe you were in a certain toxic karmic relationships and you took enough time to work on yourself, all right, and now you are getting this reward of working on yourself. And literally, if you see, here is the sword kind of thing that she is holding, and like, you very well know how and when to use your sword, all right, to protect yourself from unwanted energies. And with Four of Pentacles, you are experiencing more kind of grounding, all right. In traditional readings, Four of Pentacles is supposed to be the card of clinging or holding on something, all right. But especially with this particular group, I am getting the vibe that now, like, you have your thing together, all right, and now you are completely sorted. You are in a more stable, more grounded kind of energy, that what I am seeing. And you are maybe most of you are not in search of the romantic partner, but now you are in the process where you are already coming into the position to realize that you are your own lover, all right, and you deserve love. You are lovable, yes. I'm just getting some external guidance that if you start spending your time towards water bodies, any lake, river, ocean, that will be more healing for you. It will help you to regularize your emotions in a very beautiful way. Also stay hydrated is what I'm listening. So maybe or with all these emotional ups and downs, maybe you might have neglected your own physical health. So stay more hydrated, stay more on the higher vibe. So let us see. Okay, if I'm getting anything in this. For group number 2, please give me the vision, sign, symbols. I'm seeing a bear, and bear is supposed to be a very, very loving, comfortable, self driven kind of energy. I'm seeing a beautiful farm. So maybe you are planning out an vacation, a 2-day vacation or something like that, closer to nature. And I'm also seeing, I'm getting a vision where there is a lot of traffic. Okay, so maybe earlier you were in the energies where you used to attract people, situations, and places which used to irritate you. All right, and now you are coming out of that energy, and now you are in a very good position where you allow or disallow certain people into your energy. Now you are not in that fear based energy of losing people or of pleasing people. That is what is getting very, very strong. So next, let's see what your dowser is saying for you. So we will be answering, we will be asking the questions which answer is yes or no. So this will be very, very personalized to you. So what you have to do is just close your eyes and ask the question that you would like to have the answer as yes or no. All right, so this dowser has already been programmed. If it moves clockwise for me, the answer is yes, and if it moves anti-clockwise, the answer is no. All right, so please close your eyes and just ask the question, and this dowser will give us the answer. Thank you. So it is moving anti-clockwise for me, so the answer is no. All right, yes. So whatever you have asked, if I'm sorry if you didn't wanted to hear no. All right, so at present it is coming no. So maybe you need to work more on that, or you need to have more clarity about the question that you are asking. All right, because these crystals and any divination tools work on your present energy. All right, nothing is carved in the stone. All right, as energies change, like our results also change. All right, so yes, this is all I have for you, group number 2. And thank you so much for being here. If you would like to have any personal assistant, please contact me. And yes, thank you so much. God bless. Group number 2, if you have your birthday in this month, so let us see what is the guidance that is coming through for you. Group number 2, birthday people. Right, Archangel Michael, you are working very closely with this powerful archangel who's protecting and guiding you through this situation. So if you are getting drawn to Archangel Michael, please do work with this amazing angel. You can just Google about this angel, and yes, this is the guidance that is coming for you. All right. Hi, group number 3. Hope you all are doing well. People, those who have chose this beautiful bloodstone. So even before opening your cards, like people, those who have got attracted to the bloodstone, it is related to heart. All right, and cards are also showing up this, that you are very much eager to know about your love life. All right, so maybe you might have got confused between group number 1 and group number 3. All right, so if that is the case, you would also like to go and check group number 1. Maybe you might find something there too. All right. So immediately, what I am getting attracted to is Two of Cups. Such a beautiful energy. Okay, so before starting the reading, let me tell that the card that you have chose, the Phoenix, I am just seeing that you are on an beautiful spiritual journey. Most of you are healers. Doesn't matter if you are not into any professionally, if you are offering any healing modality or not, but you are such a kind of person who is very comforting to other people. So maybe you are such a kind of person where people come towards to discuss their issues, or maybe they just start telling their issues, their problems to you, and they have with great sense of trust. So I am just seeing that you are an trustworthy person and you are always happy to help people, is what I am getting. You are a super empath, and you yourself have been through a very difficult time in your past, and now you are literally in this golden phase, phoenix rising from the ashes. All right, now you are in the position where you don't give it a damn to anybody, and that kind of power, that kind of strength that you are holding. All right, and previously it was the situation where you used to get nervous, but all the work that you have put in, that is coming through your for your upliftment. So if you get nervous, focus on your service, but at this moment I don't feel there is any nervousness in you. Put your entire intention on answering the question, how can I make the world a better place, and the law of attraction will automatically take care of your needs. So you are most of you are like in service oriented industry. All right, you could be into healing, you could be into communication, or it could be also beauty treatments or something like that. All right, for few of you I feel you must be into fashion designing, or beauty therapies, or maybe at least you are very much interested in all those things. All right, so okay, I am getting a story here. All right, earlier you were into controlling issues. Either you were controlled by someone, or you were into that position where you wanted to control everything, you wanted to control everybody. All right, but now you are in the position where you have worked on yourself and you have let go of any control issues. All right, for a few of you I also see that in your childhood there was some kind of abandonment that you have experienced, and that was literally haunting you up to your adult age. All right, and you have like gone a very deep period of you can say like dark night of the soul. All right, you had multiple episodes, or maybe a very long time that you have spent in the darkness, in the in the ashes, and this ashes you have created yourself into this beautiful phoenix. All right, so maybe for few of you, you might have been physically ill, or you might have been you might have had attracted some kind of disease which took some time to heal. But now I am seeing especially in coming days you are in an beautiful energy. Also, how can I miss this card, star card? All right, so I'm just getting a very uplifted kind of energy. You have let go of all the control. All right, and also you have cut off the people who were trying to control you. All right, so in this month of July I see some kind of wish fulfillment that is coming through, nine of cups. All right, and for most of you it could be with regards to and love and relationship. Maybe you are attracting your twin flame soulmate, that kind of energy which will give you like a deeper sense of commitment, deeper sense of love, romance, all that thing, followed by Four of Wands. So Four of Wands is again 1111, which is a twin flame number, and this is the wish fulfillment card. This is the person that you always wanted to spend your life with. So I'm also listening lifetime commitment. So that is coming through very, very strong. So maybe earlier you have experienced this dark night of soul because of some kind of heartbreak, some kind of breakup that you have been through, and now you are attracting this kind of person finally, and that is so very amazing, so very amazing. Yes, so let us see what is coming through for group number 2. Sorry, group number 3. I'm sorry. Group number 3. Group number 3. Any extra messages for group number 3? Alright. So what I am getting here is with Queen of Swords, Seven of Swords and Magician card. You don't need to worry about Seven of Swords card. So I am getting the vibe that initially you have experienced a very, very sneaky, very, very deceptive, manipulative kind of energies around. Alright. So it could be something on the terms of your love and relationship where you found out that your person is cheating on you or something like that, or like so much of manipulation, toxicity in the relationship that you literally you had to be in this Queen of Swords kind of energy. All right. And for a few of you, I am seeing that you might be holding a bit of fear where you feel that what if the person that is coming into your life will do the same thing. All right. So you need to let go and release all this kind of thoughts that you are cultivating and nourishing in your mind. Just let go and just cut your cords with such kind of energies. All right. Because I'm seeing like Seven of Swords followed by Magician card, so there is like darker, hidden, deceptive, that kind of energy. All right. And yes, you need to stand on your grounds very, very strong. Just release any kind of fear of loneliness or any kind of fear of being alone. For few of you, it is an warning. If you are getting any deceptive vibes from any person, be it your friend or be it your lover or anybody, you need to reconsider that relationship. You need to literally confront and ask relative questions to that person. All right. Because you don't deserve this kind of energies. All right. And also, if you are like in a relationship, see to it that you are keeping your communications clear. You are respecting self boundaries and also the boundaries of other person. All right. This is coming through very, very strong. So let us see what crystal guidance we are getting for group number 3. I am seeing a beautiful baby. So for few of you, it is a wish fulfillment of actually having like conceiving or listening to this news of pregnancy. It could also be your own inner child who is wanting your attention. All right. So I am seeing like beautiful toys and all those play games that we have in gardens, the slide or the seesaw and all that kind of stuff. So there is guidance that is coming that you need to check in with your inner child. All right. It doesn't matter how foolish it looks in this particular time. Just go and nourish your inner child with whatever stuff you liked doing in your when you were kid, as a kid. I'm seeing chocolates. All right. Okay, so for few of you, I am seeing this very, very passionate, sensual kind of feeling that is coming through. All right. So I am seeing that you are taking the steps towards actually having this feeling, taking very good care of your skin, of your body. All right, and a very I am feeling this sensual, sexual, and very, very passionate kind of energy for few of you. All right. So yes, this is all I am seeing in this crystal. So let us check next what is coming through here in the dowser. So for the dowser, you need to ask one question in your mind where the expected answer should be yes or no. All right. So for me, I have already programmed this dowser. If it moves clockwise, the answer is yes, and if it moves anti-clockwise, the answer will be no. So just close your eyes and ask the question. For group number 3, please give me the answer. Please give me the answer. Yes or no. And the answer is yes. Yay! Amazing. If you are literally waiting for the answer, yes. All right. So, yes, and yes. For people, those who have their birthdays in this month, any extra messages if I'm getting? For the people whose birthdays are there in this month of July 2021. This card is popping up. Oh, all right. Crystals. The energy of crystals support you and helps you with your present situation. So if you have any kind of crystals, gemstones, you can just like cleanse them, charge them, and start using them. All right. So this is all I have for group number 3. Hope you have an amazing month ahead. And to book your personal reading, you can contact me. All right, and yes, I wish you all the best and have an amazing day ahead. Thank you.